Are you a learner who is still struggling with some topics in mathematics? Do you need a guide as you struggle through this phase in life? Or do you know of a learner who is in need of an online lesson teacher? Then this is for you. Hi, my name is Leonard Utaji. I am a lesson teacher. I am here to help students who have issues with mathematics, physics, chemistry, and further mathematics. I am here to help students excel through this phase of life. I have had so many students taught, some of which are in Canada, some are based in US and in UK. I assure you that with the rigorous training and the mode of teaching in this class, you will be able to excel from the level you are today to where you ought to be. These subjects, I must tell you, are not difficult as we are made to believe. So, with this online class, you will be able to understand better on this subject. Why not book a session with me and see for yourself? Kindly like these videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channels and also follow me on Facebook at my lesson teacher Matt. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from my daily classes. See you in my next class. For if I can help somebody as I pass along, then my living shall not be in vain. Do have a nice day and see you in my next class.